Welcome back to Raf Kitchen, guys. On today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make a chocolate lasagna. So if you never seen it done, if you want to learn how to get it done, stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, leave your comment down below, hit the bell for notifications, and if you want more videos like these, let me know and I will make it happen. Remember, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you can get more videos like this. Let's not lose any more time and let's get to the recipe. Right, guys, these are the ingredients that we are going to be using on today's recipe. Right here we have Oreos, cookies, milk, butter, sugar, chocolate pudding, cream cheese, and chocolate chips. Hey guys, our chocolate lasagna is ready to be served. It is a very easy recipe, very cheap to make. So if you are wanting to try this at home, I really recommend for you to do it. Maybe you have some friends coming over and you want to make a dessert. This is a very easy recipe so you can get it done really quick. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for stopping by. And thank you so much for all the support that you have been giving me. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Leave your comment down below. And if you want more recipes like this, let me know and I will make it happen. I will see you next time with another episode.